Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go and be showing you how to zoom an image in Davinci Resolve. This is a very simple thing to do guys, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and that you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do guys is go ahead and open up the official Davinci Resolve program right here on your PC if you haven't already, and after opening it up, you'll be greeted by this main page right here, which is the home page of Davinci Resolve. And here we can get started creating a new project. So you want to go ahead and open up your new project, and after doing so, go ahead and add the media that you want to use. So as you can see here, I have added my videos. You can drag and drop them from your folders on your PC, or you can just go to the file option and then import your media right here, and it's going to be right here. So let's say we have added an image or a video right here to our timeline. As you can see, I have dragged them and dropped them right here, and now I can get started with editing them. So basically guys, this is how to zoom in. All we have to do is go ahead and select the media that we want to zoom in on, and after selecting it right here in the timeline, go to the inspector option in the upper right corner. Go to inspector, and after opening the inspector menu guys, you can see here we have multiple options. So if you have selected an image, you'll be able to select the image editing right here, or if you're in a video, it's going to look like this. So guys, as you can see here, we have the zoom options. Here we can manage the position of the project, and we can zoom in or zoom out, as you can see right here. We also have the dynamic zoom option, so you can click on dynamic zoom. That's going to zoom in while it's still in HD format. So as you can see, you can manage to zoom in how much you want, and wherever you want, you can place it wherever you want on the screen using the positions right here. But yeah guys, basically that is how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. See you guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.